basically for timing this engine. There's 2 timing marks. You got one on the camshaft, one on the crankshaft. You want to make sure that they're at 12 and 6. And then once you throw your sprocket back on, which I'll show you that in a second, the purpose is to actually put a tie strap around it if you're not replacing it, so you can keep everything where it is. So I'm going to put that on there. This has a little arrow on it, so I'm going to line this arrow up with the direct bottom and this up with the timing mark. So on the timing chains, you have 30 links. It wants 1 and 30 next to each other, and 15 and something next to each other. 15 and 16. Where are they now? Where's my master? The alignment is perfect, but like everything is within spec. So like in the back, for example, the furthest 0.13, 0.15 I wouldn't touch, but like this 0.08, like if you want me to, So the problem with doing it the way you just watched me do it is now I'm off a tooth, so I have to get everything spun a tooth to the left. You guys look at what I'm looking at? Sorry. So, we got this little arrow right here. I want that to be perfectly lined up with that guy. Can you see what I'm saying? So even there, it looks like they're a tooth off. So I'm gonna count my leaks and make sure, see where I'm at, but they might be. So another reason, like, I don't know, that guy was being a jerk, but another reason that I like looking at procedure is procedure told me to take the left one, make it hand tight for the tensioner bolts, take the right one and take it out while you do your chains, and it just makes it so much easier. So it's like, I don't know, procedure has not necessarily saved me a bunch of times, but it helps me find easier ways and tricks to do stuff. A Kong 2650.
Raise the front a little more than the back.
Yeah, I'm
Straight.
a blower, like a leaf blower or a blower motor, or hood scoop blower. Help me out here, Nom. Alright. Supercharger LSA motor. Gotcha. I am not very intelligent when it comes to performance stuff, to be totally honest. I've never really messed with it, don't know much about it. It interests me, I just haven't learned it yet. See, look at that, now they're perfect. Much more better. But that is pretty cool. Super. It's the best straight edge I can find. But they want you to check the chain, and if it's installed properly, it shouldn't protrude past the face of the block. Looks good to me. I was worried that I wasn't going to be able to do that, because that would have meant that I might have messed something up. Alright. It shouldn't turn. Right? Do I gotta lock it? I gotta lock it, right? I think so. No. I think I'm just gonna wait to torque it down until I get the harmonic balance around. Not only do I think, I know that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, I got some more cleaning to do. We gotta clean these surfaces up, change these seals out. And then I throw this front cover on and we keep her moving. Time to
Okay, cool. Thank you, Kevin. I really appreciate you helping out. Yes, that's what people want. They know it. They know it's not good when they align right. Don't take it. Okay. I'm gonna say that I just waited more turns. Oh, you never really get that one yet? I got you. What's up? Why did you could hear this? Okay, that's not here. all the trunks, bro.
Oh, they're in the car.
Yeah. No, I didn't give us the rear, I only gave us that front splitter.
I mean, I've never really been close to being